I declare the session of 25th Annual Convocation 2021 of Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, open.
I'm really happy, feel proud also for presiding this session first as a Vice-Chancellor. Used to be in other roles here in the university, this time as a Vice-Chancellor. And मेरे ख्याल से इस Day of Achievement पे इतना तो हक बनता है कि अगर हम ज़्यादा नहीं तो एटलीस्ट क्लैपिंग जो है अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए वेरी गुड. इतना अगर उस्तादों के लिए बजा देते और ये थोड़ा सा जॉयस मूवमेंट है तो इसको इतना फॉर्मल नहीं होना चाहिए जितना हम लोगों की शक्लों के साथ लग रहा है. बट दिस इज द डे वेयर वी फील प्राउड, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, that you are sitting in front of us, you are graduating. It's a proud moment, not for us, for your parents also. The day they have been wanted to witness from the very first day when you were admitted in the university. And if you remember, when you were admitted in the university, you were sitting in the same this hall where we said that one day we will meet for the convocation and your degree. And this is the day which is the day of the achievement.
You should be proud of it that you are graduating from a university which has a big achievement as far as academic is concerned. Apart from this, this university has very strong linkages with national and international universities.
तालीम, इल्म ऐसी चीज़ है कि जिसका अख्ताम नहीं होता, वो ख़त्म नहीं होता. आप सीखने का अमल इंसान का आखिर तक, जब तक ज़िंदा है और वो चलता रहता है. लेकिन तालीम तो ख़ास तौर पर, लेकिन आप भले अगर अपनी तालीम को, एकेडमिक तालीम को ना भी बढ़ाएंगे तो भी अपनी प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ जो होती है वो भी एक दुनिया जो है वो भी दरसगाह है. वो भी एक सबसे ज़्यादा इंसान जहाँ सीखता है. यकीनन ये हमारी एकेडमिक जो नॉलेज है, जो निसाब है, जहाँ हम मुख्तलिफ़ चीज़ें सीखते हैं, हम तालीम पर हासिल करते हैं, लेकिन जो अमली ज़िंदगी है मैं समझता हूँ कि उससे ज़्यादा और कोई दुनिया की दरसगाह हो नहीं सकती. ये पूरे मुआशरे, पूरे सोसाइटी जो उम्मीदूं, जो उहे उस्ताद जिन तव्हां खे राति ॾींहुं पढ़ायो आहे उन्हनि जूं उम्मीदूं हुजूं, उन दरसगाह जूं उम्मीदूं हुजूं, असांजे हिन मुल्क जूं उम्मीदूं हुजूं, मूंखे यकीन आहे त तव्हां उन्हनि सभिनी ते पूरो हलंदा. I congratulate Dr. Tauha Hussain for organizing this challenging task. I've been after a long time being elected Vice-Chancellor. It must be appreciated for this task. Out of the Vice-Chancellor, they are elected and there are a lot of issues. They are saying that acting Vice-Chancellor cannot do a lot of issues they are facing, but I again congratulate and appreciate for this effort. Along with the faculty members, they also deserve this appreciation.
You are the luckiest, your university the luckiest that they got a place in that category. They have categorized A, B, C. Only 4 or 5 universities in engineering, and medical, and as well as business schools. In engineering, the NED, UET, and recently Mehran is also included.
I declare session of 25th Annual Convocation 2021 of Mehran University of Engineering and Technology, Jamshoro, closed.